Welcome to Brightspace EML Micros, where we bring you bite-sized professional learning. In today's topic, we are going to explore how educators might use announcements as a way on your homepage to streamline the sharing of ideas and connect learners to important topics. Let's get started. At this point, you will need a Brightspace course shell along with this EML micro to play, pause, and try what we are showing. In this demo, we are going to edit the home page and move announcements to the top. We will also explore different ways to use announcements with choice boards, images, video, or even one-click navigation to keep students engaged. Now here is a quick pro tip before we get started. Another great way to use announcements is embed one Google slide with multiple resources, one click away for all learners. Now is the time to demo the announcements tool. Let's get started. Hello there, and welcome to this EML micro demo as we look at announcements within Brightspace. Let's get started. I'm on my BYOD page, and I'm going to click on Brightspace. I'm going to go to my pinned course, and here is my course shell that I'm going to use for this demo. And we're going to be looking at announcements. So I've got activity feed. Wow, there's a lot going on. It's a great way to engage students, but I have an important announcement. Wow, there's the announcements tool. So let's click on create an announcement. When I create an announcement, I can put a headline. I can use the HTML toolbar to add content, add a web link, different content that I could add using the HTML toolbar. Files from my computer, a video note, a YouTube link, a web link, or a HTML embed code. That's great for choice boards and Google Slides. So let's see what some of that looks like. Other important things to note, announcements have a start date and an end date. Record audio, video, and set release conditions, meaning only some students might see this announcement. Great for group work. So I have some announcements that I've already prepared. Here's one draft, and here's one that I've added some images. So let's go into this one. So I use the HTML toolbar to add these images. I'm going to say that this is a major edit because I want my students to get notified. And I'm going to remove the end date. I'm going to say now, and then update. I'm going to go back to my home page. Here's my announcement. Oh no, it's at the bottom of my home page. So let's edit the home page. Let's move announcements to the top. Under Educator Tools, click on Course Admin. Under Course Admin, go to Home Pages. Here is the default home page. Make a copy. I've already made one. I'm going to change this, and I'm going to move announcements to the top. I'm going to change the layout. I'm going to click on Save and Close. One more step. I have to make that copy active and apply. Now, when I go back to my home page, I'll see my announcements up at the top. I try to leave it to 1 or 2 short announcements per week because I also want my students to use the activity feed. So let's have a look at some other announcements. I'm going to go into the tool, and again, I can click on New Announcement to create a new announcement. Under More Action, I can reorder. So if I don't want my students to see this, I have a couple different strategies. I can say end date and update, and it'll go away. I also have the option dismiss from widget. Now I have two other EML templates I want to share with my class. I've actually embedded a Google slide. So here's my newsletter. And how I did this was I clicked on Insert, scrolled all the way down to the bottom, Insert Embed Code, and copied the embed code from a Google slide. This is my choice board. Click on Next. Great, this is what I want my students to see. Insert, and click Update. I have one more. This is an EML choice board. This is one slide navigation to some powerful resources. So now when I go back into announcements, I have different types of announcements. Here is a choice board with the email document and email reflection journey document and the reflective choice board one click away. I even have the newsletter. Wow, simple and one click. Here's the newsletter, and again, it's a quick and easy choice board. And all it is an embedded Google slide. And now I have the activity feed. So some great and simple tips to move announcements up to the top and streamline navigation for all of your students. Happy exploring, and make an announcement today.
Thanks for following along with this EML Micro about announcements. Now, go and try the announcement tool today. And as always, use the Peel hashtag PeelEML to tell us about your successes or ask any questions.